In this video, I'm going to tell you why I stopped shampooing my hair and instead started using New Wash to clean my hair and scalp. Welcome to the Dress Up Mom. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If you are a regular viewer and subscriber of mine, I absolutely adore you. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. If you are new and you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. Just click the little button. It's free. I'm trying to grow the channel. We are also on all the social media outlets, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, at The Dress Up Mom, hashtag The Dress Up Mom, and you can check us out there too. So like I said, I recently started using this product called New Wash by a company called Hairstory, and I really love it. I want to tell you about it, kind of tell you the story of how it came to be for me, show you sort of some of the examples of what it looked like when I first started washing with this, and yeah, just talk to you a little bit more about it. I have this fantastic hairstylist, Christina Songe. If you watch my channel, we've done some videos together. She has become a friend. I've known her for a long time. I think I've been going to her for something like 18 years. I started going to her when she was actually in beauty school. I loved the way she cut her sister's hair, and yeah, she has given me so many great hairstyles over the years. And she recently turned me on to a person to follow on Instagram that she thought would be inspiring to me, because the woman does a lot of haircuts that I like. I love razor cut, natural styling kind of hair. Her name is Jayne Matthews, and I have been super inspired by her Instagram feed, and I know that Christina has been as well. We've been getting a lot of fun ideas for my hair throughout the process, and yeah, it's been great. We're kind of both have a girl crush on Jayne, I would say. She's very much about, you know, no dyes, no chemicals, for a bunch of different reasons, and I'm not going to put words in her mouth. I will put information on her Instagram feed in the comments below. You can go and check that out. She seems like a really cool lady, and I love all of the styles that she does. They really speak to me, all of them really. And one of the things that she talks about is not using shampoo. Now, this isn't the first time I've heard about this. I mean, I do remember even back in the 70s, people were talking about, you know, when we had those really harsh detergent type shampoos, and there was a lot of talk that no, that's not what we need to do with our hair. And then shampoos, I think, got a lot softer. I tend to have a very sensitive scalp, so I've been using for many years this product here. I've done a video on them as well. It's free and clear, their shampoo and conditioner, and it's worked well for me. But the shampoo is definitely, you know, a shampoo. It suds up and has foam and all of that, and my hair never feels the best right after I wash it. I always like it on day like 2 or 3 after washing it, and I think it's just that the detergent or the shampoo just, I don't know. I was always not happy with that, and I felt like as soon as I got out of the shower, I had to put something into my hair to almost make it dirty again or something. Well, in watching Jayne's videos and what she talks about on her Instagram feed, she is a huge fan of this product, New Wash. And it is not a shampoo. It's basically like a conditioner, but it also cleans your hair and leaves it really nice feeling afterwards. So as you can see here, it says the new way to wash hair. It's a very clean product, and they use, it says on here, they use a lot of essential oils and saturated cleansers, no sort of phosphates or parabens or detergent, anything like that. On Jayne's Instagram, there is a code to get a discount, so I got, I think, like a 30% discount on my first order, and I will also put her code in the comments below. So it's not cheap. This is $40, but you also have to remember that it's a conditioner and shampoo in one. You only use this. You don't need to shampoo and condition. And with the discount code, it was pretty reasonable to at least give it a try. When it came, I'm showing you, this is the package that it comes in, so I thought it's pretty good size. That's slightly deceiving because this is actually how big it is because it has this the pump up here, but I still think this will last me a long time. I only wash my hair like twice a week. I have really good hair. It's my scalp is pretty dry. Even with exercise and everything, I only have to wash it twice a week. It is very much like a thick lotion. You can see here as I'm putting it on my hand. It feels sort of different when you first put it on. It smells very nice, not too perfumey or anything, but I'll just show you. It is like a cream lotion. It's a creamy lotion, and what you do with this is you wet your hair really well like you normally would, and then you take this in and you just rub your scalp and your hair really good with it. You're not going to have any of the foam or any of that, so it feels a little bit weird at first, but you do that, keep it in, keep rubbing, soak it in, and then just wash it out really well. There was this little comb that you could also buy when you bought a pack for this, that you could like actually comb it through your hair. I don't need that. My hair is good. It doesn't get all tangly, so I was just able to do it that way. It is also just made to have your hair be very natural and take and utilize all of the nature in your hair already. I don't know how to explain it. There's a whole website that has it, but I'm pretty impressed. I took some footage of the very first time I used it that I'm gonna talk you through right now. I just got out of a hot yoga class. It's been 3 days since I washed my hair, so it's definitely time to get in there and clean it up. It's getting a little smelly. It definitely felt a little bit different, but I loved not having that sort of stripped, dry feeling to my hair in between shampooing and conditioning. It feels very supple and natural and nice. I let it air dry and didn't put anything in it, and it seemed to dry really fast. I just put a little bit of the Pacific sea salt in it for a tiny bit of grit. It's from a brand called From Molly with Love, which I really like. It's very natural and clean as well, and soft. And then I finished it off with this curl cream that is from Bumble that I like. It's also very soft. It's kind of like a lotion, but I think it turned out really good without doing hardly anything to it. And this is not normally what happens. Here is the next morning when I woke up. I think it's great. It's totally effortless hair. I can't believe it. Normally take like 2 or 3 days and a lot of product for my hair to look like this. I think I'm a convert. It's been really nice on my sensitive hair and scalp. It hasn't irritated me at all. My hair just feels good right after it's washed. It looks good right after it's washed, where it didn't used to. And throughout the course of in between washing it, it's a lot easier to sort of style and manage, and it feels healthy and good, and I love being able to wear my hair just naturally. So I'm going to keep doing this. I'm curious to know if any of you have tried this and like it and what your experience has been. Thank you so much, Christina, for your motivation on this, and to Jayne for your inspiration. I'm gonna keep watching. Christina will have a lot of fun with my hair now as it keeps growing. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little.